This is Tom from Maple Grove Orchard. We're here thinning peaches. It's about mid-June, and we had a real good flower set this spring and a real nice peach crop. There's way too many peaches on a branch here, so they've got to be thinned out to about 6 inches apart. Otherwise, they don't size very good. And big peaches, big money. Little peaches, little money. So what we're going to do here, this branch is about 2.5, 3 feet long, 30 inches long. The first thing you do is go down the top of the branch and knock everything off, because gravity's going to take it off anyway. And it's in about a month these will be ripe. So the earlier varieties you want to thin earlier. You want to get the fruit off them earlier, and it lets what's left get a lot bigger. These aren't a real huge peach. They get around 2.5 to 2 3/4 inches, but it's a nice size for as early in the season as it is. Any fruit that's visibly damaged from bugs or disease or anything, make sure you pick that off. That one's got something wrong with it. Take everything off the top of the branch and then go through what's left. Ideally, you want the peaches to hang on the bottom of the branch. So we'll knock that one off. We'll leave one here. We'll take a couple of these guys off. And for now, we'll leave 4 on there. And a little bit later, we may knock off another one, just so we can get good size out of them. If you look here, you can see how many peaches are on all the branches of the trees. You don't ever want to prop peach tree branches up, because the trees are real weak, and even when you prop them up, they'll break. And once you break the tree, you're done. It's not like an apple tree where you can kind of fix it. So here's another one. We'll go down the top, pick everything off. I know this hurts. It took me a long time to learn how to do this. And knocking all those peaches off and throwing them on the ground is painful. But the alternative is broken trees and tiny fruit that has no value. No one ever stops and says, I want to buy small peaches. So that branch, there's 5 or 6 left on, and we'll probably thin another 1 or 2 off there shortly. If you look at the ground down here, you can see how much fruit has been picked off the trees, and like I say, it's real important. And this is what you have left. And at that spacing, you know, you'll get 2.5 to 2 3/4 inch fruit, which is nice number 1 fruit. So everyone always asks about thinning them and how to get big peaches. That's how you do it.